Casual's reaction to SB19's live performance at Bicol Loco, Bicol Music Festival. As always, after SB19's live performance, maraming casuals ang napapahanga at nahahatak, tulad na lang sa Bicol Music Festival. One casual said, "Bicol Loco Fest just ended, and I just want to commend SB19. The energy was 100%, live vocals plus the crowd chanted for encore, and kahit nakabihis na sila backstage, lumabas sila ulit to perform and honor it. Honestly, I'm not an 18, but I think I became a fan after tonight." Day 1 of Bicol Loco Music Festival just ended, and I just can't contain myself to express my thoughts this morning with what happened last night. I want to commend SB19 for giving a very solid, impactful, and powerful performance. Not an 18, but to be honest, I only accompanied my nieces who love the group very much. Initially, I went there as a supportive tito for them. But seeing the group perform with 100% energy plus the solid live vocals, they are undeniably today's sought-after boy group bands, and they just earned a new fan. Indeed, they deserve the recognition they are receiving locally and internationally. Thank you SB19 for rocking the world of Albayanos. Hanggang sa muli. Their congressman also posted, "World-class talent, world-class performance." Grabe ang ibinigay na all-out performance ng SB19 sa Bicol Loco Music Festival. Mula sa powerful vocals hanggang sa solid na choreography. Walang dull moment, puro sigawan at saya. SB19 proved once again why they're not just local icons, kundi tunay na world-class Pinoy pride. Salamat sa pagbigay ng isang gabi na puno ng energy, inspiration at pagmamahal para sa ating mga kasurog. Diyos mabalos, SB19. Another casual posted, "Not a fan of SB19 dahil hindi trip ng tenga ko yung genre ng songs nila. But hey, inabangan ko sila this night sa Bicol Music Fest. Ang gagaling nila, powerful ng boses, laloy na yung kalbo na pink ang buhok. Orgasm to the highest level. Congrats sa 18, hindi kayo nagkamali ng iniistan. Mabuhay ang OPM, mabuhay ang P-pop." Not a fan of SB19 pero pag nakita mo na sila mag-perform, grabe stage presence nila tas aura. Solid nyo. Not really a fan of P-pop but tonight they stole my heart. Kaya pala fan yung mama ko at yung mga pamangkin ko.